QUBT stock tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Yo, so quantum computing just went up 51%. It sounds like I'm disappointed, but this thing just keeps delivering. It's crazy good. Previously I called out this buy here, this buy. Like I've gotten plus 8R. So that's, if you risk 1%, that's 8% here. Not mentioning how much like I've called it out in terms of like 36% up. And here's the before proof.
Simply wait, you know, that's how.
That's the before, sitting 671 2 days ago. Cool. Now I'm still looking to long, but the likelihood of this making new highs is just through the roof. And the only way that I will get involved is if the price pulls down and then gives me a double break. That's it. Everything else, pure noise. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.